This is the vintage model company Supermarine Spitfire. It's an 18-inch balsa wood stick and tissue model. Here's some more information about it.
The Spitfire is obviously a popular aeroplane. As we knew lots of people would like to build one, we've kept this model straightforward. It builds easily whilst retaining those iconic looks. It's small enough to look great on your shelf, yet have a solid presence in the air. It's also easy to fly, making it a great choice as a first balsa kit.
So it's a really nice model. We include all of these parts. To see what's actually included in the kit, let's actually just open one and show you what's inside.
When you get your Supermarine Spitfire kit, it's going to come in a box that's very similar to this one. Opening it up, you'll see that there's a plan inside, as well as lots of other bits and bobs to build your aircraft. There's a printed instruction booklet which will show you step by step how to assemble your model, and there are also lots of custom pieces such as this vacuum formed canopy and a vacuum formed spinner. On top of this you have your hardware bag, which contains a propeller, a plastic propeller which will propel your Spitfire into the air. We've also included wood glue, which is the same for every one of our Magnificent Flying Machines kits. Lastly, you'll find the material itself, several pieces of balsa wood which are laser cut into each one of the components that you'll need to assemble your Spitfire.
When you build your Spitfire, make sure to share it with us by visiting our Facebook group. It's a sort of vintage model company club where you can join for free and share all your models, get some advice from other people who are more experienced perhaps, and you can check out other people's models for inspiration. Make sure to visit that, there's a link in the description. There's also a link to our Instagram page. Follow that for inspiration as well and for news about new products. Subscribe to the YouTube channel too, and you'll get lots of new videos about build tips, flying tips and more. So check that out. Catch you on the next one.